Oh, y'all, set to achieve. Man, I am so grateful to be able to say that I have 4,000 subscribers. Like, it is such a blessing. It is so great. I mean, I was literally saying about less than a week ago, really. I was saying thank God for, let me plug this phone in. I was saying thank God for 3,000 subscribers. And here I am. Oh man, God is good. Sorry, y'all, I'm trying to plug this in. Put close. Yeah, I say my phone battery is low. So let me just make sure it's plugged in. Yo, God is so good. 4,000, and achieved in such a short amount of time is amazing to me. But y'all, God is so good. He is so faithful. I mean, coming from someone that has been on YouTube for over a decade, and less than a month ago, I was at 1,500, and here I am at 4,000. That is 2,500 subscribers in less than a month. And God is so good. I have my 4,000 watch hours now. Obviously I have 4,000 subscribers, and God is so good, Please, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share, and yeah, I'm just in amazement, how good God has been. I was able to get 2 viral videos and in within a week and a half of each other. I mean, we're supposed to count our blessings, so I'm just counting my blessings, and all the people that I've been able to connect with. I mean, the connections are, to me, are just it's crazy, and just to be able to just be here and to be able to encourage people, to be able to influence people positively. I know everybody's not, positive, but, to be able to influence people positively, to me, is just it's a blessing. I just thank God, 4,000 subscribers. I mean, who would have thought, who would have thought that I would be here? Who would have thought? I mean, me. I didn't even know that YouTube could be so great, It's like I feel like I have a new family, I feel like I have a new family. God has been able to bless me in so many ways. And I mean, I totally understand now why I went through all the things that I went through. Because I think that everything that I went through was to bring me full circle to where I am today. Guys, anything that you need, anything that you want to be, whether you want to be a musician, whether you want to be a life coach, whatever you want to be, a writer, you can acquire it right here on YouTube. Okay? You can acquire it right here on YouTube, okay? Because you're connecting with people all over the world. You can put long form content. And what I love so much about long form content is the fact that you can be able to speak to your audience. They can actually hear you. They can actually hear your heart. When I left nursing, I mean, if you are maybe new to my story, I became a registered nurse in 2010. I broke out of nursing, left out because my mental health was at stake. I felt like I was literally losing it. And I was going through abuse, narcissistic abuse at home. I was going through abuse at work, and I felt like I was in a trap, but I thank God for his grace, and that I took a step of faith and decided to just leave nursing. I went back to doing hair. Eventually I started doing delivery. From delivery, I started doing I took a course on being a I took a course on being a middleman. So I started my middleman business. I started also doing, well, I started doing my mobile braiding anyway, but I started doing braids. Eventually it became mobile braids. So, and it's like now I'm able to have multiple sources of income. Today, literally, I've had three sales already, okay, from my course, okay, my multiple streams masterclass bundle. I mean, literally, just as I'm doing this video, I just got a sale, $49.99, just sitting down right here doing my video. I don't even have to stress so much doing delivery because I can sit here and make money right from the comfort of my own home. I mean, it is such a blessing. YouTube has literally changed my life. Okay, it's literally changed my life. Like, I feel like it's changed my life forever, because I can sit home. And I mean, I was sitting here just thinking about how many hours I have to work, to get 150. And here it is, I'm sitting down and 150 just jumps into my account, just sitting here. Okay. By the way, if you want to grab the multiple streams masterclass bundle, it's going to be right in the description. Okay. It teaches you how to make money by just literally working with your phone, so that you can run a middleman business with your phone. If you want to do delivery and you're US, if you want to do delivery and you're based in the US, you can get started doing that delivery. If you want to do what else? Yeah, if you want to run a mobile business, you can run I have a mobile hair business, but you can run a cleaning business. You can run any kind of mobile plumbing business, whatever business that you want that is mobile, you can run that. And then also it has the passive riches bundle. So if you want to sit down in the comfort of your home, just like I am right now, and learn how to market your course, PDF, whatever on social media, you can. And it also comes with PLR rights, so you can change it up, customize it, put your own links and resell it. Okay, it has 8 different guides teaching you how to do social media posts. It has the faceless marketing guide. It has like different things that you can do so you can learn how to market effectively. Okay, it's only $49.99. It's great. I mean, YouTube has allowed me literally to just like touch lives and live the life that I want. I've always so the part about it that really astonishes me is that I've always wanted to make money online. Even before the birth of my baby, my last child. I have three teenagers, and I've always wanted to make money online. And I tried affiliate marketing. I tried so many different things, but it's just like, it wasn't connecting, but I didn't know that YouTube was the avenue that would make me what I wanted to be. Okay. I can coach, do one-on-one coaching. I offer that in my stamp store. I offer, so people that want to break out of, the whole 9-to-5 rat race, whatever, I offer the multiple streams masterclass bundle. So whichever, if you want to run a middleman business, if you want to run an online business, we know that digital marketing is like a multi-million-dollar business. If you want to run a mobile business, it's all there, and it's priced very, very affordably, so that everybody can do it, guys. I mean, it's like sitting here that it took me, the fact that it took me a year, what is a year? 10 years plus to reach 1,500 subscribers. And when I changed the way I was doing things, when I applied a little bit of more strategy, I was able to go from where I was, which was like very, very slow, sluggish speed, to where I am today. Like, I literally got 1,000 subscribers in less than a week because one of my videos went viral. And that was a video talking about how I went from registered nurse to delivery driver. Okay, I was able to break out of that rat race. Okay, so it's possible. You don't have to be stuck. Okay, take me for an example. Okay, take my lead. If you're stuck in a 9-to-5, you do not have to be stuck. Okay, if you learn how to, especially if you learn how to market effectively online. Today, my children are not in school. Okay, they're not in school. Well, today is Martin Luther King's birthday, so but tomorrow they're not going to be in school as well because the school canceled. Okay, because of how cold it is. Okay, it's like literally like 2 degrees. I can sit home. I don't even have to run around doing delivery. Okay, so I think what's even higher than running around doing delivery is if you can master online marketing. So on freezing cold days like this, or on snow days, you ain't even got to be running around on the slippery roads. You can sit home and make money. You don't have to sign up for an online, work from home job because you're still caged to your laptop. Okay, I'm sitting here talking to you. I just finished watching a movie. Okay, I'm relaxed. I did 0 deliveries today, and I made 3 sales thus far. I did 0 deliveries, guys, 0 deliveries, and I've already made 3 sales. 3. Okay, God has really blessed me, and it's amazing. Okay, you know, I think the problem with a lot of people is, you know, just having that mindset shift. People will spend thousands on hair, you know, or on beauty, makeup, but to spend $49.99 on a course that can potentially change your life, they have a problem. I don't understand that. You know, what allowed me to leave nursing as a registered nurse and be able to thrive, pay my bills, take care of 3 teenagers, and you know how you know how that can be. Okay, by myself and by the grace of God, was because I took a step of faith. I was willing to invest in myself. I was willing to bet on myself. You know, and God has been rewarding me for that. I don't have to run around scrambling around no more. Okay, and that's what I say. People are like, oh, delivery is a means to an end. It's not the end. I think everybody should learn online marketing. Okay, so even if you're doing delivery, great, but learn online marketing so you can make money from anywhere. I'm sitting right here, sitting in my bedroom office, because you can see it's my bedroom office. See, I have everything set up: my bed, my books, my laptop. Let's show my laptop. My laptop is here. My table is here. It's all here. You can see where I put my shoes, and it's all. I have it all here. You know, so if I want to eat, my table is here. See, my water is there. You can see my walls, all my stuff. So I'm fully prepared, guys. Okay, so I mean, it all comes literally full circle. And I'm so thankful to God. Oh, God is so good. I'm at 4,000 subscribers, guys, and growing. And growing, guys. And this is in less than a week. Okay? So if God can do it for me, He can do it for you too. Start a YouTube channel. Okay? Start a YouTube channel. They say that YouTube is pushing out small creators. Well, I mean, look at me. I have 2 viral videos. I've never had a viral video in all these years. Never. And here I am making money from the comfort of my own home. Sitting here, I thought it was a dream. Okay? Just start. Start talking about your struggles, your journey, your job. It was when I started talking about my job, my delivery, leaving nursing, that's when it's like everything started like coming together. You know, people started paying attention to me that weren't doing that before. Okay. So, yeah. You know, so I just started being more strategic about talking about things that people actually wanted to hear, and not just what I wanted to put, right? So guys, thank you for all my new subscribers. I promise to be, as me as possible, be myself as possible, and inform you, and encourage you, motivate you, that if I was able to leave nursing and still survive, because the people I had around me, everybody was saying that like I basically that was nothing because I left nursing. But if I'm able to be here and and have all these people actually listen and pay attention to me and buy my courses, and just support me, it's wonderful. Okay, so it is possible. I'm just letting you know that this is what is possible if you just humble yourself, take a step of faith, and believe in yourself. Okay, now I'm an independent contractor. I do delivery. I make money online. Like I said, I already sold 3 courses today, just sitting down, not do, just you put it once and it's passive. It just keeps working for you. As long as you're putting out your videos and stuff, people are gonna find it and people are gonna purchase. Okay, especially digital marketing, digital products are like the way to go. Because I use Stan Store, and Stan Store allows me to. It just is the best beginner friendly platform. You just put it in. You can put it, whether you have affiliate marketing, whether you have your own course or program, everything. You can just set everything up, and it just works for you. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. Okay, so guys, it's awesome. So thank you all for watching. Thank you for my 4,000 subscribers and growing, because I know we're growing. And thank you for the ones that purchased the course, because your life is about to change. Because there's so much information in there for only $49.99. Guys, it's in the. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can get it, the multiple streams masterclass bundle, so that you can get started, to changing your life, with all the information that is in there. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, leave your comments, and again, thank you. God bless.